Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the 3 planners / notebooks that I have in my current lineup. But before we get into it, I want to give a shout out to my fellow Chaotic Critic fan member, Paula's Picks. Thank you so much for commenting and leaving your feedback and showing your support to the channel. Without you guys, without the Chaotic Critic fam, none of this would be possible. So I thank you guys. If you would like to be shout out in a future video, just comment down below. I appreciate you guys so much. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so as for the 3 notebooks that I have in my current lineup, I have this Devotional from Hello Revival, I have this mini happy planner, and this Sequins notebook. So one of the things that I am trying to get into the habit of doing is creating more of a routine. With this quarantine, I can literally be up all hours of the night and sleep into the day and everything just feels off. So I'm really trying to have some type of routine for myself no matter what time I wake up. So I'm hoping that these 3 systems will give me the clarity that I'm looking for and help me stay on track with everything that it is that I want to do. So in my mini happy planner, this is my catch-all. I've been sharing videos with you guys on this. I have more videos to come. But this is my catch-all that has my weekly plans. It has my projects. It has everything I'm working on when it comes to YouTube and social media, the writing that I'm doing, all of that is inside of here. I do have a new cover and disc coming. These are currently about 3/4 of an inch. These are Happy Planner discs, and this is also a Happy Planner cover. This is the mini Happy Planner that everyone is raging about, but this size is just, I don't know why I didn't think about it sooner, because this size is very equivalent to that of a B6, and I always gravitated towards B6 bullet journals. So before, when I tried to use a mini happy planner, I was using inserts. Now I'm not doing that. Everything in here is freestyle. I have upcycled a lot of things in my stash. I haven't printed anything out to add inside of here, and it's working. I'm using what I have, and I did want to go ahead and get a new cover and disc because this one already is peeling a little bit. Not that it's major, but also the discs that I ordered are 1 inch, so they'll give me a little more wiggle room, and that's from Cloth and Paper. I'll have that linked in the description box if you guys are interested. But when it comes, I'll be sharing that in a future video and a full setup of what's inside of here in more detail. But one of the things I have as far as routines is the 5 things that have to get done if nothing else gets done in my day. And that's making my bed, taking a shower, skincare, hydration, and writing. Yes, if nothing else gets done, those 5 will. It's very imperative to me to have some type of routine in place so that I can stay focused. And y'all, this accountability that I am struggling with is like no other. So I'm trying to stay on track as best as I can. And while these 3 in the top portion, making my bed, taking a shower, and skincare, are the easiest, the ones that I struggle with the most are hydrating and writing. I have a lot of writing projects that I'm working on. For one is my book that's dropping this fall. I'm really excited about that. And then I also have fiction pieces that I'm working on. But another thing that has fallen to the wayside is me just decompressing and having a moment to reflect and being with the Word and reading the Bible. And I'm really bad at that. So I am using this month, I say this all the time, it's kind of like a challenge, and I hate the word challenge because I feel like now it is so like it's so watered down of what a challenge is. It's like you do this for 30 days. It's kind of like the fad diets in a sense. You do this for 30 days and everything is going to change. And it's like, I don't want to implement changes that are going to not last. I know that a lot of things in life are trial and error and you have to adjust with the times. But the things that I am implementing now, and I talked about it in my tracker video of what it is that I'm tracking. I just want to, have this routine, get everything in order, and develop these habits, these positive habits that are going to help me in the long run. So if you guys want to see more on how I made those trackers, I'll have that video linked below. But as far as writing, aside from the other projects I have going on, that is where this devotional and both the Zequens notebook are going to come in. So this devotional is from Hello Revival. I have some other devotionals that I have when I'm done with this one. I think I might do a video comparing and seeing which ones I like the most. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comment section. But I like to bring you guys along on my thought process of planning, not just all the things that I have, but, really bring you guys along and let you know what I'm thinking when it comes to choosing and putting together my planning system of what's going to work best for me. So this Hello Revival journal devotional, I did a review on it, and I also have a coupon code. I love the aesthetic of this. The layout is so easy. One of the things I want to practice is gratitude, and I recently shared a review of a gratitude planner. It's from Habit Nest, and I love it. I love the gratitude. It's not a planner, it's a journal. The gratitude journal. It's their sidekick journal. They have others as well, but I'm not there yet. I love that I'm able to write down what I'm thankful for, to share my gratitude, but also reflect on a scripture to how I'm feeling. So how I use my devotional is based on how I'm feeling that day. I find scriptures or content or passages that relate to that, and I can write in my scripture, reflect, and write a prayer, and then anything else I have I can put over here. So far I've been using this. I write analogies down, scriptures for certain topics, like scriptures to overcome fear. I write song passages, the whole entire passage of the scripture, and I'll write the whole thing out. And then based on what it is that I am reflecting on, I will take a specific verse and make that my scripture over here. And then this was Psalm 91. Amazing, amazing, amazing for this time of life. I wrote about this back on March 21st. This is when everything was at a peak and it was a lot of hysteria. It's still a lot of hysteria going on. But this passage was recommended by many of you, and I wrote it out, and it's very, very helpful. And then the serenity prayer I wrote here. So you have freedom to write whatever it is that you want in this personal space. I have used stickers and all that. So this I want to get and implement into my daily routine. And like I said, once I'm done with this devotional, I have other things that I can use as a devotional. But I really, really do love the layout of this one from Hello Revival. So that is in the lineup. I don't have to create it myself. I just need to write in it, stick with it, and that's that. In conjunction with this devotional, I have to think about it for a second. In conjunction with that, I have my Zequens notebook. When I first decided to leave my half letter planner and move into this mini happy planner, I was talking about I'm not sure if I want to do my bullet journal in a bound version or a disc-bound version. Clearly, I chose the disc-bound version. But I am going to be using this. I'm going to be adding to it ever so often. If there's something that I want to dig deeper on or something that I want to reflect on and just do more of a personal dive, I guess, if that's even a phrase, but basically just to go a little bit deeper during this time of quarantine, any list that I have, but really I'm just documenting, this next month and so on and so forth. So I will have this linked in the description box, and I will be comparing this to the bullet journal, the Stylogy B6. I just want to use it a little bit more. But yeah, so this is basically my free-for-all. It's going to be turning into my little diary. And I know that I really could forego this and just use these two and put my devotional and everything inside of here. But I really do love the layout of this. And this, I am going to continue to write about what I'm loving during quarantine and really like express further the list and stuff that I made. So I'll show you one of them. This one here. So my quarantine chronicles, what I'm loving watching and buying. And some of this stuff I can just go ahead and elaborate on, and it'll be good to reflect back. So I do want to be able to reflect back after this whole thing is over and take a closer look. But that is a gist of what my planner system is looking like. If you guys are, you know, true Chaotic Critic fan members, you know that I could easily change my mind and switch things up. But this is what I'm rocking with right now. So let's go with it. So that wraps it up for this video. Let me know down in the comment section, are you guys still planning right now? Are you just using a journal? What are you using? Would love to hear from you, and feel free to leave any other questions or suggestions you have there as well. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have products I've featured as well as related videos, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.